Radyo na Fiesta, Siargao. We just arrived today and we saw this kitty shirt hanging as banderitas. So for now, we're looking for a restaurant for our breakfast. Gutom na kami, and at this moment, we wasn't able to take a video since nung sinerve na yung food, kumain na kami kaagad. Fast forward, we already had our power nap and now we're going to Cloud9 for our surfing lesson. Minimum fare for the tricycle is 30 pesos. Hey! I'm also excited to try surfing even if I'm afraid. It's a must since it is the highlight activity if you come to Siargao. Entrance here is 100 each. Just keep the ticket with you because it is valid until 9 in the evening. Ito yung view sa bridge ng Cloud9. Hanap muna kami ng surfboard and instructor namin for surfing. And then, tada! Here they are. Nakahanap din kami. First day namin, surfing agad. 15 packs kami lahat nag-surf. Ita-try talaga namin lahat para sulit. If you wanna know magkano, it's 500 pesos including the board and instructor. You can also give some TIP kasi kaya nga nila, nasa tip ang tunay na ligaya. Tuturuan muna kayo around 15 to 20 minutes. Depende kung matututo kayo kaagad. Mag-demo muna si kuya kung paano i-execute at saka sabi niya, ano mo step forward yung kanang paa mo if kanan ka at saka mo isunod yung left mo. And then bend. After that, it's all about balance anyway para hindi ka kaagad malaglag. Makinig ka lang sa instructor mo and they will give you some tip kung paano talaga yung proper na pag-surf. And then, there are also do's and don'ts. Pag nasa tubig na kayo, sabi ni kuya, bawal daw mag-fall sa harap ng board. Always patagilid para iwas disgrasya. If you fall, patayan mo kaagad at baka may paparating na board sa'yo. Medyo kinakabahan but I will conquer my fear. Before talaga kami pumunta dito, I wasn't really planning na mag-surf kasi based sa mga nakikita kong videos, I thought malalim. Hindi pa naman ako marunong lumangoy. But then it turned out, nalaman ko na pwede pala mag-surf kahit hindi marunong lumangoy. Tapos na kami, so it's a memorable experience. Now, we are planning to go to Katangnan Bridge o tinatawag nilang Afam Bridge. Doon na din kami kakain for our dinner since pagod na rin kami magluto para tulog na lang kami pag-uwi. Ito yung mga guide namin, napakabait nila at accommodating.
Ang tawag eh, Cloud9 doon nga, ang nagagat. Big Bang, ulit ba ka na mucho, diba? Bing Bing.
Hey. Andito na kami sa Afam Bridge. Grabe, apakadaming tao dito. Nakaka-amaze yung mga pagkain sa tabi-tabi. Ang dami at iba't ibang klase pa. Price starts at 50 to 150 pesos. May nakita kaming kwek-kwek. Bumili kami dalawa tsaka isaw sa halagang 50 peso yung isang baso. Hanap muna kami ng space sa unahan upang makakain ng maayos. Grabe, ang daming tao guys. Legit talaga na ang daming Afam dito. We bought 2 cups. Each cup is 100. Meron dito lechon, tsaka sisig with rice na. naglalakad kami pa uwi, may nakita kami ice cream. Free taste daw. Yun, nag-taste kami. Tapos hindi rin naman kami bumili.
Nagpalit ko ice cream, boy. Dalawa. Dalawa ba?
Pauwi na kami pero dadaan muna kami sa simbahan para mag-alay ng kandila since fiesta ngayon. Kaso sarado na at wala nang nagtitinda ng kandila. Hindi na kami umabot. Kaya uuwi na lang kami. Bye! That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.